How to add follow button on Facebook account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you can see on my account, there's only the messaging icon and the following icon is disabled. So what you need to do in this case is go ahead and open up Facebook and then click on the three lines at the top right, then go to your settings, and then scroll down to the audience and visibility section, and from here click on followers and public content. And as you can see, the first section says who can follow me, and it's set to friends only, meaning that only your friends will be able to see the follow button. We will set this option to public, meaning that everyone, even your non-friends, will be able to see it. And as you can see, the settings have been updated. So let's go ahead and check our profile again. Let me refresh this page. And as you can see, the follow button has now appeared on my profile, meaning that even non-friends can follow me. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the follow button on your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.